Hey there, this is Sam from GHL SaasKits, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the exclusive offer countdown timer in different section of your same page. Okay, so we have two different versions of this countdown timer. The version 1, which actually allow you to add the exclusive countdown timer once in a page. Okay, so you cannot use that one in multiple section, but the version 2, which actually allow you to add the same timer into a different section of the same page. Okay, sometimes it requires to show the timer in different section of your page. That's why we created the version 2 of this exclusive offer countdown timer. Okay, so let me show you how you can apply this code snippet. Okay, so first of all, inside the members area, you will get the HTML code, JavaScript, and CSS code for this timer. Okay, so all you just need to copy your HTML part of the code and then replace your time here. Okay, so here the year, month, and the date, and then the time. Okay, the hour, minutes, and seconds. You can adjust it based on your requirement. You will also get the instruction at the end of the members area. Okay, so you can get the reference from there and all the description how you can adjust the timer. Okay, from the members area you will get all the details there. Okay, so after once you adjust the timer, then just copy the HTML part of this code snippet. Okay, and then add each of the section where you actually apply the code snippet. Okay, apply the countdown timer. For example, here I added the HTML code. Here also I added the HTML code. You can see here the same code is here, and also the same HTML code is here. Okay, and under the last section where you added the countdown timer HTML code, just add your CSS and JavaScript. Inside the CSS and JavaScript, you don't need to make any changes. If you want to keep the same color, like red color, okay, by default. Okay, so if you want to change the color of the timer, then you need to adjust the CSS code. Otherwise, the CSS and the JavaScript, you don't need to touch anything there. All you just need to edit the HTML and adjust the time, okay, based on your requirement. And after that, at the end of your last countdown timer, add the JavaScript and HTML code. Okay, so here's it. Okay, so here's the HTML and JavaScript code for the timer. So just replace this, okay, with your style and CSS and JavaScript, and then just save the page. Okay, so it will actually show the countdown timer everywhere you added the HTML code. Okay, the every section. Okay, it can be the one section, 2, or whatever number of section you want to use the countdown timer. Okay, so let me preview this. If everything goes well, then we should have a multiple countdown timer. Okay, you can see here the same countdown timer in different 3 different section. Okay, so that's how you can use this code snippet into a multiple different section of your same page. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, then feel free to subscribe our channel, and also if you are a if you need this code snippet, then you can get our GHL code snippet premium version, or you can also join our GHL SaasKits members area. Okay, or community. Let me show you the community. Okay, here's the community. You can join here for free, and also once you join here, you will get the basic version of the GHL code snippet for free, and also some other training. But if you want to use our code snippet, all the code snippet access, and then you need to upgrade your account. Okay, so that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed this. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.